Rains and rasam go hand in hand. This tangy, spicy and hot rasam is ideal to guzzle down today. Rasam has been my all-time favorite. But how did this come to be? The story goes that in Madurai, a king's son had been ill and he barely ate anything. So the king declared a prize for anyone who would come up with a dish that his son would eat. And there was a particular chef, Karunas. He then concocted this rasam. The tarka of ghee, mustard seeds, asafoetida and curry leaves makes this simple go-to dish heavenly.